Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. A very special, guys. It's one morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my video. In case you're new here, subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So right now, guys, it's raining 4 days ago, and actually we just come here to see how things go. But I think the rain will spoil the road, but right now things are okay here. So I'm just come here to my friend's land to check how everything it is. You know, when it's raining a lot, it wanna maybe spoil something here and there. So as my work is to check and go. So probably you can see. So I see on the comment section a day when I was around here, one of my fans said, "Hello baby, you should put a small ladder so which can enable my bike going this way, you know." But I'm thinking about that, so is to have maybe some timbers, because I don't want to block this ditch or maybe this lining which water can pass in here. So I'll see putting here and there, and then like a small ladder, you know. So right now everything is just okay, and we say thank you everybody who's supporting us. Thank you so much. My God bless you. Oh, I see a big lizard heading inside there. Yeah. Wow. It's by God's grace, man, I'm telling you. So here, let me sit here a little bit, you know. Wow. Alright guys, so right now I'm just here on these rocks, and these are construction material right here. So if maybe somebody have a land in somewhere else, maybe in our village here, first thing maybe that we're going to do is to dig the borehole, toilet, and then you pour some material like this. You can see we have some tippers of stones here. Also we have sand. We have I think down there we have some bricks. So I'm sitting here a little bit because outside there you see it's sunny, so I need to sit here like 2 minutes, because to have a beautiful shade from here, you know. So life in our village here, it's so simple, and I think from here I'm going that way, and then using the new road I'm going to visit one of my friend on the other side, you know. Sometime we have some kids playing down here. Wow. So let me check how things it is here. I don't know who put these stones here, you know. It's almost to fall, but anyway, I hope no kids playing around here. Yeah. So again, this is sand. You see here, this is sand right here for the construction, you know. When I said down here we have some bricks, I need to show you guys, so I don't want maybe people said, "Oh, we didn't see, you try like faking things." No, you see, there's bricks, the burnt bricks. Coke, yeah. Everything's super clean. So this is the local fence right here, and it's needed to be trimmed, you know, because my work is to check and go, you know. It's needed to be trimmed. See things like this, you know, it's needed to be trimmed. See, 100% it's need to be trimmed, things like this, you know. And then the fence looks super clear, you know. And also what I think, sisal, it's growing everywhere. Maybe in future, maybe my neighbor think, oh, your land rich here, because you see this sisal here, the bigger one, and then we have the smaller one. So we need to uproot this, you know. So it's growing, and then push your land, you know. Yeah, that is my neighbor. You know, since when this land have been bought, I haven't checked, you know. I haven't checked. So here, this is my neighbor's, you know. I think this is my fence, if I'm not wrong, or my neighbor. So this one, it's not supposed to be here. No. When I'm going to put a fence here, I would mulch this fence, the local fence. There's a small window. You can see how it looks like. Small window. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that's how home looks like in Africa, Kenya. You can tell in the comment section. Yeah. My work is to check and go. Everything just okay. Wagwan. Okay. Yeah, since I put this stuff here, right now, I'm just okay. I'm safe, because earlier is the somebody would pull it, push it up and down, and have water. Oh my God. Yeah, I put it here, you know. Marab. Na nachotaka maji hapa. Nani anaishi hapa? Wanani? Wale mafundi. Oh. Okay guys. So here, you see even some little boys are running here. You know? So I'm telling you, deeply there, we have a lot of water. A lot. These are small stones, guys. I'm trying to throw it inside, and then you heard the sound. You know, you heard. These are stones. You heard. Oh my God, a lot. Yeah. So everything just okay here. Super, you know, super organic. Nothing to be changed here. No. According to, you know, village life, that's how we hang clothes out, like small rounded, you know, just hanging on the fence like that. So here, things like this, I need to remove it. You have the cock. It's very early in the morning. Yeah, look, there's some fruits here. Also, this one, it's curing some disease, you know. I think also it treats it's curing amoeba. This fruit, if you boiled and then like you drink the juice from this stuff, it treats amoeba or amoeba, whichever the case, how maybe we pronounce, you know. Let me put it here. Maybe they will go one day to grow, you know? So also we have the cooked banana here. I think it's River's place. Wow. You can't imagine last month I was been here, but this stuff, it's still growing. You know? Still growing. You know? Sometimes it gives me hard time. I think the best way is to uproot, not slashing. So that's the reason why I just come here. It's growing bigger. I have the cock here. Yeah. It means that's blessing. One more at a time. Yeah, we have some cock here. Look at that. Look at that. Right. It's maybe fear me, but one more at a time, it will behave. You know, because also we had our neighbors there. Good morning. It's running that way. Look at that. There's a bigger cock. See? So it's looking maybe something inside here. I was waiting that, you know. Also, that's our neighbors, guys. I'm telling you, you know, Africans home. Paraguayan man. That's a latrine. You know. A cow grazing there. Wow. So this hen and chicks. Alright. Guys, kids are playing here. Maraba, say hello.
Hello.
Good. They are playing here.
Yes.
The age of my sister. So right now I think I'm going to visit one of my friend because it's been long. And then say hello to him. So guys, if you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and also let me know what do you think about on these videos. Yeah. Oh, we have a lot of hens inside here. Look. Oh my god, it's going that way. So I realized some kids are playing here, you know. Yeah. So guys, that being said, right now we have good road and it's running from another side, coming this way, going down. So imagine when I was coming from our neighbor, also they can access using that road. Also my friend's land, we can access, and I think the river lands they can access going. Also our neighbors here, they access to go. Also Ankomo, everybody in our village here. And then we just walk freely, you know. So me, I think jealousy is not good 100%. I just, you know, I can't believe in like in jealousy. You can see even the river, you can access by using this land. See, going this way. Also our neighbor going that way. I'm telling you. So right, we're still going, you know. And then today I think, because it's raining, and then I'll go that way, but not now. Probably I'm thinking to go and check my friends here, you know. Those are toilets. We have a church here, SDA. You know, if you are a Adventist watching these videos, also in our village here we have an Adventist church, you know. I think I'll pass there and then showing you, you know. The house. of God, you know. Yeah, this is a shed here. Also, this is a church. You know, I'm showing you how things it is here. You can see how it looks like. Super amazing. Look. Yes. So right, so I left this place. Actually, it's good to have a church in our village. You see the car is passing here. Wagwan, man. Zora. See? I'm telling you. And then you think I'm joking, but right now you trust and believe. You see the car is passing freely. And it's Toyota HILUX. Wait, good time to home. Yo, ba. Okay.
How are you?
I'm good.
Hey.
Hey. So they're maybe putting the tents right here. You can see, guys. Right. Hey. You see, you know. Wow, that's Uncle Mo's home. You can go and check him. Subscribe to his channel, guys. You know, this Toyota. You can see, guys, that's how it looks like. You know. Wow, so this is the new road. So I'm going this way and then find one of my friends. You know, need Jim and Gimma. Eh. Okay. Right, so guys, for me, I'm heading this way. I'm gonna check one of my friends. That's napier grass. We have cassava plantation. Yeah. So here material can pass easily, you know. And I wanna say, for those people who think like to block a road, shame on them. You know, here we have a road, very nice, for only transporting materials, like you know. So I just come here to say hello. Hey, this is a serious farm. So when the banana matured, start mature, like maturity process, it's like this, you see. And then from this stage we come from that. Let me show you. We come from this stage here. I think this one right here, and then also we go for that. Right, I think there's no need to use a highway. Let me pass here. You know, I'm a village boy, born and raised in Africa. Eh, muri chingega chimon. Eh? Chingega chimon. Guys, if you know this man, comment on the comment section.
Wow.
How are you, my brother?
I'm so good. There is Pablo Jr. as always. So yeah, on the comment section you can comment if you know this man. Always with gumboots.
Are you working?
Yeah.
On construction?
Yesterday I was working.
Where?
I went to Mama Brian's place.
Mama Brian. Oh, grandma to Brian.
Brian, yesterday. Yeah. So
You work?
Yeah, I work there. I volunteered actually to ensure that everything is moving on well.
Yes.
That's why I haven't cleaned them. Actually, I was.
Alright, guys. So right now, I'm heading to Nebuhanse village, all center. Now, let's go, guys. Wagwan, man. Today's a calm day, chilly day, you know. And I think today's a market day, you know, for buying and selling of goats and cows. You know. Bigger. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Wagwan. So guys, make sure you leave us a comment on the comment section. Let me know what you think about on this vlog, you know. But for me, it's a special day to me, you know. So I think right now my helmet have been fixed, so I'm going to, you know, to wear from now, because also me, I need to take care of myself, you know, while I'm riding. Wagwan, man. Look at that. Oh, that's a police post in the hands. Wagwan. Let's go. Yabhan's a village to the one. I see the goat grazing right here. That's how Yabhan's looks like. Can I make your code? You look at the matun. Yeah? What are you doing? Nenda kwa sehemu. Wewe kata matunda tuku. Hakuna gari mwema, mimi bila kula mchanganyiko wa matunda. Guys, so that's how Japan looks like. I need some fruits here. Where? Tankengera. Nanasi.
Bebe baby nanasi.
Hii na hii.
Na wewe bana, zako ziko na macho.
No. So
how are you, bro?
I'm good.
Long time, man. See that day I helped you to get and then you go. Give me a soda. You promised me to give me a soda. You need
so look, big machine. Whoa. Wagwan. Takenga ambe tumeka wida ya nera. Kumi. Kana nataka kulipia hilo mono ba. Ma 10.
Hivyo hata 50 10 wapi? Echori bwana msana.
Weande. That's watermelon. Onda guli chikangu mubono.
Mone yani hano uyacha musikanano.
Kila siku nitaenda tena magari kisasa ndote.
Tigegan kengerembe.
Let's see, mkuya turi.
Maana niko maono kuna watu kwa someone in hospital. Very sick. So check here some fruits.
Fruits. And the cucumber. Do you know cucumber?
Yeah, I know cucumber.
Pero hanacho kenge bitonye hanze tuna reject tunachukua ingine.
Oswa.
Buka tei katika hivyo.
Anko he.
Ohe. Suture ni zangu zinakatwa.
Yeah, mimi hata sina haraka na wewe baby.
Introduce.
Thank you so much, hello baby, to subscribe to channel. I'm so happy to be here. I'm very so happy. What do you like, my friend? Look on my side, go and check me there. I'm here in Africa. And then come on my side, go and check. Hello baby.
Look at my service here. Ha.
That is 20 bob.
20 bob.
How many dollars? $1.
Hata ifiki $1 mura labda tu.
Sokore tat.
No.
Tuhambi tu tupeke mara.
Sema ba.
Moro ina nego vita kubichifu.
Hera mwana sibitani. Ngune ketu na nasi 2, watermelon 1.
Watermelon.
Nikupe ya 20.
Guys, I'm telling you life in our village. Hey, you stay.
Kata umekatia uweke kwa juara.
Nisichanganye.
Nipelekee. Kata unaweka kwa juara.
Sasa si nimekuuliza ya 10 ama ya 20 ukakataa.
Hakuna kulingana na kamba yako.
Alright guys, after finish eating the fruits, so right now I'm heading this way, you know, pole. Let's go. That's a roll. Wow.
Asante sana Sweet Water kwa kuja kwa mchango. Ameshawa kuita mchango wake shilingi 500. Mungu akubariki pia.
Wow. People building, man. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa, Jabanse village, the wild. What a beautiful day, man. You know. Alright guys, we shall meet on the next video. Guys, on this side I'm so disappointed because one of my friend right here, his kid was totally sick, so we need to take him to the hospital right now as we speak here. Let's go guys. I'm telling you right now. So at the same time guys, sorry, my yesterday videos have some errors, and it's because I use my phone to edit, you know. So sometimes it shows me, you know, errors after I upload the videos. But I think I'll do combination of the video. So for those people who are watching my videos, please, on that side, you do a rewatching. Look at that dog. You do what we call rewatching at the end of the videos. Wow. God. It have been closed.
Okay.
So Dado is sick, guys. Dado, we take you to the hospital.
Dada, ulikuwa unakula nini? Ni glucose. Alikuwa anaramba nini?
Okay guys, time to go to the hospital with my friend here.
Yes, Nyahiri 001.
Yeah.
Yes, my son Dado is very sick.
Yes.
He has no appetite.
The eyes is white.
Yes, he has no appetite.
Yeah.
Is diarrhea, but no vomiting. So I think that is. I think this child has a stress of his mother.
Maybe malaria.
Or a stress. Let me go to the hospital.
Okay.
The doctor tell me what is the problem.
Okay, guys, this is a serious matter. Sometimes, you know, I'm laughing because.
Nini. Tema.
Okay, let's go. We want to make us a joke, but it's a serious matter. Serious?
It's a serious matter.
Yes. Yeah.
Sometimes this child is happy, sometimes he's jealous, and sometimes he's hungry.
Sadness.
Sadness.
Not jealous, sad.
He don't want to eat.
Oh.
Don't know what
Maybe he lose the appetite.
Yes.
You can deworm him, and then you know, buy him for glucose.
Maybe he's a camero.
Okay.
Somebody tell me it's a kereme.
Kereme.
It's a kereme.
Yeah, it's a kereme, something like in the tongue here. You cut it and then. So guys, right now in the hospital. Okay guys. The whole story here. So you can support Hello Baby Official. So today it's a prompt tour, you know, of my brother here, and a day like this, it's by God's grace. And also, guys, I'm going to give you special quick tour for 2-bedroom, I think 1-bedroom house in Kenya here. And also I'm gonna share with you the cost price of 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom in Kenya here. Maybe one of you, when you came in Kenya, you know the cost price in my village here. So yesterday we have bought some furniture here and there, and today we decide you know, to fix things which have been remaining. But yesterday it's raining, and then the time is not on my side. So let me take you inside there and then to see how everything is. I just pull up here with my bike, you know. It's super clean, you know. Yeah, I love it because it takes me around, and then yeah, I need to maintain it to be clean, you know. So thank you everybody who's supporting me by watching my videos till the end. Didn't skip ads. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official here. At least at the end of the month, I do something. So right here, this is a rental house in our village. If maybe somebody didn't like to stay in center, they can stay here, you know. From here up to Nyabohansa center, it's around you know, let me say by walking you can walk around 5 minutes, you'll be there. So it's not far, guys. So let me take you outside. I hope you are ready for this house quick tour, and then also I'll share with you so many things. Look from a distance, guys, people are building, you know, from right there. That's a nice house. So anyway, let's go. No, here we have to close it. That's wow. So let's take you inside. All of this house that you see here, it's rental house, you can rent. So this is door number 1, and then I'm gonna give you special quick tour, and then I'll share with you some cost price in house in Kenya here. Hey, my brother, how was everything?
Everything is well.
Yes.
I'm here take a short ratio because I'm tired. Because yesterday I've done a lot in this house.
Yes, maybe sit here. Steven, I'm happy for my brother. Right now, they're watching some, you know, Kenya Music Festival 2025. This Meru County, Kakamega Primary Western Region. I'm telling you, we have radio down here. Right now it's working, TV stand, table, you know, look. So here today, guys, on these videos, it's amazing. So how do you feel to be in such a good environment like this?
I'm feeling good to be in such good condition. And this is what all human beings must to do, yeah, for better life, and to stay in a good house with a good in condition, so that even to avoid some even illness like sickness of living that in that house, and the other things that you can face a human being.
Okay.
Yes.
So right now, can I ask a question? This 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom?
It is 1 bedroom.
Yeah.
And 1 sitting room.
Okay. Yes. We wanna say it's 1 bedroom. All right. So how much it costs you to pay a rental per month, or you pay a year?
I pay 2,000 per month.
2,000
per month.
Imagine, guys, my brother here, or my friend, he paid 20 USD per month, you know, and then so he can able to staying here, and then doing their own things outside there. So actually, guys, look, imagine our village here. We have a house of $20 like this, and then you can see also it has an open kitchen right there. You can place here some couches. Look, I'm happy for you. Yesterday we bought this mat and also this stuff, you know. Look how the house looks like. And also I think we are going to buy the remaining one. This one here and that chair there, right there. So that's the only things remaining. Look, nice environment. Even down here you can sleep, man, like this. Oh, like this. It's very clean, my brother. Like that, because these are clean, pure tiles. How was your radio?
My radio is fine. Now I'm listening to the music here so that my stress can go down.
Yeah, guys, I don't know whether it can give me a copyright, but I need to prove you here. Irumbeko. Right. Hey. So for the people who like rumba music, like it's a music from Africa and South Africa, I'm gonna show you. You know, even me, I like, you know, listening especially Jamaican song and also rumba because it's motivates a lot. Yes, look, that's what you were. So guys, we put also this, you know, look how things it is. So maybe my friend, you can prepare something there
so that my kitchen cannot be open like that.
If you are sitting here, you see how my friends prepare some food right there.
Stable. I'm going to add some curtains here. Like
Yes,
one curtain
I think one, it's enough.
one curtain. So
Yes.
I can share this place. So that
Yeah, the kitchen will be separated. Maybe if you're going inside there to cook, nobody can see you.
nobody can see me what I'm doing there.
Yes.
That is what I'm going to do if I'm going to get those money.
Yes, and also this is a gas cooker. I know most of you will ask me, hello baby, the gas cooker is not supposed to be inside the house. Here in our village, people put gas in inside the house, but it's supposed to be outside. Okay. Hey, even kids are happy. Say hello, Dado. Dado. Say hello. Dado, nani vituko. Waniag. Kama sira kusogi. Dado. Hi. Say hello. So we need to fix the bed and then boom. Hey, rich kid. So guys, this is a new bed which we bought yesterday. It's a brand new. So also the mattress and the bed sheet. So you need to spray the bed, guys, you know. I'm so happy. Okay, so look. Hey, it's written poor. When you sleep here, you sleep good. Look at that. Oh, what a good day, man. All right. So the only thing remaining here is to fix the bed. Okay, you can show people how you spread your bed.
Now I want to spread my bed.
And now you are happy.
By starting placing this cover.
Look at that. Okay, Sylvia call.
Hello?
Right now we are spreading new bed, guys, here. Hey, here you sleep like a rich boy, rich kid. Huh?
Rich man.
Look at that. Hey. Guys, I'm telling you, according to our culture, if you buy a big bed like this and mattress, automatically your parents told you like you're supposed to marry, or your age mate supposed to marry. Huh?
That's all.
Kaya tarugi food. Yes. We were a tanda. Hey, shout out to you quick hand. Take a swing. Yeah, you push it. Yeah. Sungenwa a pillowcase. Afadhali no kurenera banye.
Yeah.
Irigena. Look at that. Maisha London. Also, that's a bed sheet. Look at that. That's duvet. So what remaining here is a pillowcase, I think. 2 of them.
Yes.
Yeah.
The time I get that money, I need to add the pillowcase too.
Okay, and then things will be okay. Alright guys, so thank you so much. We shall meet. So right now we are going to Border Town. And stay tuned guys. Guys, look, that structure coming in good shape. Anyway guys, right now it's another beautiful morning. I'm just over here heading this way. I'm gonna meet with my baby. This place, it's common, you know, when I'm around here I normally shoot the videos. Even the owner of this place, yeah, look at that view, man. So next 5 years is coming, this place could be maybe another Paris. Whew. No, so okay, let me give you the key and then you take the bike. Okay, that's it. Tembe Nyahiri, alright?
Nyahiri 001.
That's Nyahiri 001. My brother.
Yes,
how are you?
I'm good, and you?
You good?
I'm good, I thank the Almighty God.
Okay, so right now we are leaving your place. Maybe see you later.
Where are you heading to?
I'm heading home and then going to Border Town. Oh. Yes. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let me close there.
I want to watch upload. Okay. Yeah. Alright. So, Jahiri, yesterday you drink tea, you left your cup here. This is crazy.
Since yesterday.
I remind you. So guys, there's some things we are going to fix out in Border Town. And then from that, boom. Wow. Look at this. No. These are bamboo trees. Act as a fence. Beautiful flowers. For those people who loving flowers, I'm showing you. Look at this. Nice one. And also it's create the beauty of this place. We have a lot. Look. There's another one. There's another one. Have another one down here. A lot. Even we can smell it. Oh my God, something else. Also, these are cemented posts, you know. Wow. So it's time to go. Yeah, this is my baby. Right. Maseke. Oh, you're tiring, guys. I'm telling you, my baby, because you know, last night it's raining like crazy. Go katata twende. Haijapakwa mafuta. It's a lot of maintenance, you know. Atira watu kirachi kika. So you're heading people outside putting something on the table, man. Let's go, man. You know, every day is to push. Push, push. No, like I myself, I'm pushing like a donkey. Every day is to put videos. And guys, thank you so much for those people supporting me. Till the fullest. Wow, amazing views here. Yeah. I'm showing you my village to the world. Look, we need improvements. Look at this building here. Also right here we have the hotel. It's known as Brewlock Hotel right here. Another hotel. Whoa! So that's how Nyabanse looks like. People are outside. That's why to the kwacha. The ladies' clothes. I'm telling you. That's Nyabanse for you. Wagwan! So here we go, guys. These are my cut. Okay, let's go, guys. Floyd vibe to the end. Rich boy from Nyabanse. Okay. So we're gonna in Border Town. We need to make a little bit shopping and then back. I wanna say this from two. For my brother here. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Okay.
Yes, I'm happy.
When you're happy, these trees remind me in Mombasa. You know? No, we have stones down here. Wow. Let's go! Maybe your son is outside or your brother is outside. Chasing my dream every day, you know. Putting the videos of upcoming restaurants right here. Maybe one who are lucky one day you just pull up in my village. I'll show you that restaurants. Maybe I'll take you there, one of you guys who he or she, when you come to greet me in my village, I'll take you there and also, you know, find out the barbecue. Wow, that's napier grass. Yeah, majority of people within our village here, they are farmers, you know. They are keeping cows, goats, you know, donkeys. East Africa, Kenya. Yeah, more jacket. It's cold here. That's a matatu. Right now is the best time tourists coming now, especially in Kenya. And so many places, construction taking place within here, you know. So and then going to Tanzania. I think of the best game reserve and also what you call game park. That's what I want to give you. Special hospital here. It's Banya Mission, school, church, and then going down. We have also a school. Right here we have a boys' school. And I think there's a day, you know, I was filming. One of the schools have been given our school bus. Yeah, down there. Oh my God! Look, that house. One day could be my dream house. I'm telling you. Hey. And then, man, I know what I'm going to border town, man. Look, I'm showing you, if somebody building a bungalow or a mansion there, you can't imagine. Anyway, let's go. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. It's the best time, guys. You can support a little bit official. You know, I'm climbing the ladder step by step. Hold it. Look, nice house. Some trailer parking here. It's crazy. Right, that's P-Power Shell, car wash, and also garage here. That's the KK or a tuk-tuk. Border town for you. That is Sibania police post here. They are dealing with some cases. Anyway, let's go. Old car version, I'm telling you, this one right here. Oh man. Crazy. So guys, that's how the location of border town looks like. People are outside hustling every day to put something on table, man, you know. Right. The road was being stuck right there. Let's move. Okay. Slowly, slowly, pole, pole. The border town here, we need to go slowly, slowly. Tourist car passing there. Right. So this day too. But for today, we need to make a little bit shopping. You know, things have been totally messy here. Breakdown of the ground. Pole pole ba. Okay, we're on this side here. Hey, they are cleaning the streets. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, some clothes here, fruits, you know the crazy thing about the town, it's music everywhere, music. It's music everywhere. So I don't know how, maybe we had maybe we got mau hata kugonto koraha. Right. So yesterday we have been here. Today it's another day, you know. All right. Okay. We have a lot of mattress here, according to the size of your bed. Okay guys, we need to buy some little stuff here. Okay, there's some crutches here.
Hii simu nimebeba hapa haina kitu. Nilikuwa nimeshafika. Nikaona kama tutaelewana sawa. Nataka tu hiyo cover na vitambaa za meza pia ni sawa. Haitafika saa 8 sijakuwekea.
Sasa itawezekana.
Sisi ni wateja wako. Ndio maana
lakini sasa hiyo unajua hiyo trust.
Alright guys, I'm just back home. I missed home yesterday, you know, because I was busy. Right here I have my mama. Hey. Guys, I don't feel good when mama missing on the video. Mom, say hello.
I am fine.
You're a little
Ndego mantina maye.
Nintagana nenturi kundoenda bwera.
Ukorega go swari bari kurushi sasa garushi marabagara.
Amara bosu hanimbe to enkopagara mama ya. So guys, this water, mama fetch water from there, from the borehole. Yeah man. So I don't want to see mama struggling. Kino tikeko pa manti. Yeah guys, this is a local funnel, you know. We fetch water there. Chukuru. Ngana ka ba chonjo. Right, so let me go this way guys, you know. It's raining here since last night. Even right now as we speak, look how the weather is behaving. Look, you know, going that way. This is crazy. So just over here, we say thank you everybody who's supporting me. In case you're new here, this is what I'm calling home, you know. So guys, we shall meet on the next videos. Let's see you on tomorrow guys. Bye. Okay, let's see guys. Ado musor tari gor. Or tourist vehicle 4x4. If I'm traveling here, I'm telling you. You know, tourist vehicle KBMW 4x4 Randy Cruiser. Oh, yeah man, we have another one in front of me. Yeah, this is a good company. People are making money here. No joke. Yeah guys, no jokes here. So we try to go see tourists are making money here. And this one is a tourist. If you want to book, this guy is 254-7148-2370. It's Steve Katere. I can't wait to see Jamaica, like traveling commando. You know, even tourists are inside, mostly Chinese. Man, I can't wait to see commando tourist vehicle. Hey, you've experienced, man. These are ready. Look, everyone are coming. I can't wait to see that. I'm telling you. Look at that. 4x4. KDM. Hey. People are so blessed. People are investing money, man. Look at that. Oh. It's a rally for the tourists. 4x4. Oh. That's how it looks like. I'm telling you. Woo. I'm showing you guys. If maybe somebody wake up in the morning counting safari rallies, those Land Cruiser, man, it's a lot. Trust me and believe on me, a lot. Down there, like you see, it's around 4 of them. Haha. Around 12 there. That's how your bus looks. Yeah. That's how your pants looks like. Good people. Nashuka hapa chini.